Hello. In this movie, we will show how to create distributed control systems with the client-server architecture for the case of the direct connection trace mode runtime NetLink Lite to controllers with micro trace mode on board. As you understand, in our case, the server there will be a controller and the client PC. The given decision on functionality certainly consists to the traditional approach with links like micro trace mode RTM, but is rather economic. That is why also rather attractive to developers of systems. Our goal is to show how to create the distributed control system of client-server architecture with using trace mode NetLink Lite. Our example will be the simple monitoring system. Lower level of our system contains industrial controller MicroPack with the connected remote input module I-7018 using for measuring of the temperature value. The temperature sensor is thermocouple type K connected to the first analog input of the module I-7018. Address of the module in network 2 data format engineering. The module I-7018 connected to MicroPack via its serial port COM2 with the following settings. Upper level of our system is the usual PC with the trace mode runtime NetLink Lite. The Ethernet network is used to connect between MicroPack and PC. Our MicroPack controller has the IP address this one and the PC this one. The screen of the PC will be used for display of the data about the surrounding temperature. In order to develop this project, we will need the trace mode SCADA HMI development system of the professional line and a trace mode runtime for I-7000 controllers, micro trace mode. We should be assured that the micro trace mode has been previously written in the flash memory of MicroPack. Further, we will upload files to MicroPack by means of usual terminal program. For this purpose, we will use the serial port COM1 of the MicroPack. Now we launch the trace mode development system and create a new project in standard style. After that, let's create a new node, Nano RTM node, for our controller. In order to connect our controller to PC via Ethernet, let's open the node for editing. Type IP address and set flags reception and sending for the first network adapter. Since the remote IO model and MicroPack are connected via serial communication, we need to create a new group, COM ports. Open the created port for editing, change name to COM2 and adjust the setting exchange rate. All other settings keep by default. Now let's describe remote IO model. For that, we select the layer, sources receivers and create the group distributed models. Then I-7000 and here our model I-7018. Then we open this group for editing and change the index of serial port to 1 and edges in network. That's right. After that, we drag and drop the group to node Nano RTM in project tree. I/O for our controller is ready. Let's perform creation in the layer system of node console. Feature of consoles trace mode is that they can be connected only to service trace mode, to nodes of type RTM, micro RTM, logger, embedded RTM, and nano RTM on any accessible communications, network, serial communications, including modems, radio modems, GSM modems, GPRS, for the purpose of realization of the fullest HMI tools, execution of algorithms and interactions with the relational database, local or remote. Open the created node console for editing. Let's insert IP address and set flags, reception and sending for the system network adapter. Now our task is to develop HMI for the node console in order to see the current data about the temperature from controller. Let's select the root of the node console and create a new component, screen. Now we select the screen and open it for editing. After that, we transfer to the argument list channel A in number 1 from the node Nano RTM by drag and drop. The modest argument list is ready. However, you should remember that the quantity of arguments could be to 4,000 and even more. Let's place trace mode logo to the left upper corner. Let's type the title trace mode NetLink Lite using the graphic element text. Well, let's now show the current temperature value measured by controller. Let's insert to the screen graphic element trend and create the curve by drag and drop. Now let's create the curve by drag and dropping from our argument in the list. For the curve, we define the room range. For the temperature, max value 14, minimum value 20. And now we should save our project on the disk with the name cons and compile it for the real-time monitor too. By means of the terminal program, we upload file cons with extension dbb from this folder to controller. And after that, we launch microtrace mode manually. OK. And now we will launch profiler for the node console. In this case, the profiler will play the role of NetLink Lite. Well, wait occurrences of the real-time data on the trend. We can see that it is room temperature. And after that, we cool the sensor of the thermocouple by means of Siberian snow. In order to estimate the process on the trend. Thus, we have developed very inexpensive system. Look at our price list, and we are convinced of its working capacity. Recently, at creation of the modern system of automation, there were very popular client-server decisions. Draw your attention that additional workplaces in such systems can be easily created by means of NetLink Lite trace mode. We draw also your attention to one remarkable feature of the NetLink Lite. At connection to redundant server trace mode, the console is automatically switched to active mode and independently traces the active server without any additional options. In summary, we remind that NetLink Lite does not have possibilities of direct connection of any I/O devices. Well, we finish our movie, and thanks for your attention. Bye.